In the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, data annotation is vital for training accurate models. A data labeling platform streamlines this process by providing tools for annotating various data types efficiently. In this tutorial, I will introduce you to DataStudio, where you can annotate and label all of your data to streamline and also make your AI projects easier. To check out all of our templates, visit our website at datastudio.indicaai.com and then click on the Create New Project option. After that, click on Configure Template. As you can see, our platform offers a variety of different templates such as Generative AI, Conversational AI, Computer Vision, Natural Language Processing, Structured Data Parsing, Audio or Speech Processing, Ranking and Scoring, Time Series Analysis, and finally videos. Under Generative AI, we have these templates, which are Supervised Language Model Fine-Tuning, Human Preference Collection for RLHF, Chatbot Model Assessment, LLM Ranker, and Visual Ranker. Under Conversational AI, we have Response Selection, Intent Classification and Slot Filling, Response Generation, and Coreference Resolution and Entity Linking. Under Computer Vision, we have Semantic Segmentation with Polygon, Semantic Segmentation with Mask, Object Detection with Bounding Boxes, Keypoint Labeling, Optical Character Recognition, Multi-Page Document Annotation, Inventory Tracking, Image Classification, Visual Question Answering, Visual Genome, and Image Captioning. Under NLP, we have Question Answering, Text Classification, Named Entity Recognition, Taxonomy, Relation Extraction, Text Summarization, and Machine Translation. Under Structured Data Parsing, we have Freeform Metadata, PDF Classification, Tabular Data, and HTML Entity Recognition. Under Audio or Speech Processing, we have Automatic Speech Recognition using segments, Speech Transcription, Sound Event Detection, Intent Classification, Speaker Segmentation, Automatic Speech Recognition, Signal Quality Detection, and Conversational Analysis. Under Ranking and Scoring, we have ASR Hypothesis Selection, Content-Based Image Retrieval, Pairwise Regression, Text-to-Image Generation, Search Page Ranking, Document Retrieval, and Pairwise Classification. Under Time Series Analysis, we have Activity Recognition, Outliers and Anomaly Detection, Signal Quality, Change Point Detection, and Time Series Forecasting. And finally, under Videos, we have Video Classification, Video Object Tracking, and Video Timeline Segmentation. Now, if you have any doubts related to this, you can contact us through our website. I hope you enjoyed this video.